Hey, welcome back guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your Builderall account, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is how do you unlink or remove a Google Calendar account from your Builderall? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to remove your Google Calendar from Builderall anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business, you know that sometimes you connect the wrong account, so you need to remove it. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your Builderall dashboard. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my Builderall, and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you want to unlink or remove your Google Calendar, here on the left side, you're going to click on Build. It looks like a light bulb. Next, you're going to click on Build a Booking Calendar. Okay, once you do that, you're going to see this menu pop up, and you want to click on My Calendar. Okay, once you do that, you're going to see all of your booking calendars you've set up in Builderall. So to remove your Google Calendar, you need to remove it from each and every calendar that you had connected before. So once you see the calendar you want to remove your Google Calendar from, so for example, this one, you're going to click on the pencil icon right here to the right. All right, once you do that, you're going to scroll down until you see the section here called Automation. Click on there. All right, once you do that, you're going to scroll down until you see your Google Calendar email. Okay, so here you can see my Google Calendar email and the calendar that's connected. Now, in order to remove it, just click on the trash can off here to the right. Okay, quick second later, you can see the Google Calendar disappears, and you want to scroll to the bottom and then click on Save. Okay, now if we scroll up, you can see the Google Calendar has now been removed. So you can go ahead and add a new Google Calendar, or if you don't want to sync, you can just click right here and then scroll down and save. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to delete or remove a Google Calendar from your Builderall account, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up, or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.